One of the things that I get asked about quite often from other entrepreneurs is how important is fitness and being the best version of yourself and getting the most out of your skills as an entrepreneur. And it is so impactful. Earlier this morning, just worked out at the gym for a little over an hour, did a combination of cardio, meditation, sauna, read a book, 10 pages in a book earlier today. So all of those things comprise of my morning routine. But fitness is such a key component to that. In order to operate at your highest level, you have to get the day started, in my opinion, and as well as other very successful entrepreneurs' opinion, is by getting some sort of workout done, whether that's lifting weights, cardio, yoga. There's so many different things that you can do. And you don't have to overcomplicate it. You don't have to go into the gym and start lifting insanely heavy weights unless that's what you're looking to do and that's what your plan is devised by. But more importantly, you just need to get the blood work flowing. You just need to get the blood flowing and get in a rhythm of doing this consistently. And when you do it consistently, you will absolutely see a difference in the way that you show up each and every single day. Your team, more importantly, your clients, more importantly, will absolutely see a difference in the way that you're showing up for them when you're optimizing your asset of your health and of your fitness. And for the first 6 months of being an entrepreneur, I was so focused on the business. And really over the last 2.5 years, I've started to deviate and incorporate fitness into my daily routine so that way I can show up to the best version of myself each and every single day. The impact that working out in the morning, or really whenever you work out throughout the day, that it has on the rest of your life, both personally and professionally, you can't quantifiably say what the return on investment is. But it's in the hundreds of thousands of return on investment, what I've seen in the way that I've been able to show up for myself, for my team, and for my company, and for my clients. And it's absolutely crucial as an entrepreneur, if you are looking to level up, if you're tired of being where you're at and just being stuck, if you're not focusing on your fitness and on your health, it's time to absolutely do so. There's no better time to get started. As this video is going to come out, we're almost halfway through 2023. So if you're trying to put it off till 2024, I encourage you and I advise you to get some sort of fitness plan in place right now. Something that you should do each and every single day. I'm even doing it on the weekends because I just want to be at the best version of myself and in prime condition. You never know what is going to happen each and every single day as an entrepreneur. The reason why I work out in the morning is because I don't necessarily love to work out, but I love the results that working out does for me, my company, my team, my family, my clients, all of those things. And I know that if I tackle that hard thing first in the morning, a lot of people refer to it as eating the frog, that regardless of what else comes my way throughout the rest of today and each and every single day, I know I already won the day by winning my morning and doing my morning routine, which is part of fitness and my health. So again, if you don't have any sort of workout routine, it doesn't have to be complicated. Going for a walk, even for 30 minutes in the morning, will help you set your day up for success, and it will absolutely have an impact and a return on investment for you as an entrepreneur and everybody that you come in contact with. There are absolutely days where I haven't worked out and I have seen dramatically the way that my day goes in comparison to when I do everything that I know I need to do. Working out is such an integral part of being a successful entrepreneur and growing and scaling multiple things because it's hard, right? And most people aren't going to do it. So set yourself up for success. Get a workout routine in place, do it consistently, and reap the rewards. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and we'll see you next time.